mechia kwatifo ne omo a omo hwe Sompa TV o sabri Crime Check Foundation any inter-regional bridge group asuye anase edubaku a omo nhya abanse na omo boa se ne ebe ya atenten ne pepepe ebe koso yi ewo yeman enti sa edumaku yi ene edumaku bia eka ho emfa Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative any Legal Resources Center enya emwa bi every United States Agency for International Development e kan USAID sene ebe ya yebe bo dewuro ama amanfo ate no mebi a ekoso efa atenten ne kwan a efa so asuye ahodo a o se omo hwema atenten ne ekoso ewo oman yi mu akwan a ewo se omo di omo djuma ne no ma bi a ekoso a enyem rakwan so na ye ka kire omanfo so obi edi emra no hye ne nsem edi wo fa kwan bone bi so a baby a ewo se ode wasem ekodan na ye hwe ekamaw se ne be ya pepepe ye atenten ne nya be ye adwuma ewo oman yi enti dwumadi a nyina yedi no enti na ene ya betena ha ye bedi enkomo afasa na oman yi nyina.
Okay. Aha, I Sompa 98.9 ene mpanyimfo e bon komo maybe am sha sem free ha say ye ka say eye ka bibi kire ye fa eye case eye tracking system ho
yo ye ka case tracking system a eye abefo kwan a ye di aba ye hwe se atenten ne ebe ye adwuma o man yi mu ofa criminal process enfan say yebo obi kwadu say wa fomra no e kwan bi so a okwan a efa so edi djuma no say every police for ho ne kwan a police for be ye omudjuma ahwe adansi a ewo na omudi akodan court na court be hwe nsem no mu na attorney general any other institutions bebem na asem no akowie se either se ebefa ne se nipa no eye no kore se abone no wadi na asotwe a ewo ho ye di ama no ana nso se court no hu se nipa no se abone no enye no kore ana se adanse ana evidence bia nhye da nim na court no beja no okwan ya efa so edi se adwuma nyina na sese ye di aba ewo abefo kwan so fa computer so say dey be ya from police station you know asema e de beba nyina e betintim ni nyina gu computer so na police phone so e de ama court ana any other institution for instance case bi wo honoma police for e wo so mo de ma attorney general na attorney general ehwem na oma na advice e bi wo hokora na attorney general na emu e fa case no na omo emu e prosecute e bi wo ho a ombe ma police for na advice e to da bia nipa na e friend say yabo no kwadu no e bi wo ho a e be hu say nipa no ohia say e be ma ne e friend say lawyer ni ye wo asoye a aban dia to ho say ye be ma nipa no lawyer a ye legal aid sa institutions nyina ye de wo mu nyina aba computer so a system so that if we asoye ba ko a directly through internet na akọ asoye de eto aso se ne be ya asam no be ko wano na cases ni nyina be di hu djuma within the shortest possible time si ye hwa o hwe ye constitution no mu a even ade ba ko a constitution no eka efa atenten ne se obi ko adu a kwan ya efa so edi na asem kra no e wo se ye di ni wano emma ne se nipa no yabo no kwadu asem bia enye asem tintin kesi bia na dan den nyina na ye frɛ no court ɔkɔ no wɔ ba ne ye say ne time ebi kura timi ekopie remand bon say wa spending a lot of time or remand at the end of the day kura na ye bɛhwɛ no na maybe asama idea to no so no na enye no korɛ na ya say ne mrɛ maybe ni bibi akɔ tim enti e was say ni nyina eka ye friend saying justice.
And this is here, I say, you know, a conversion the first year, Juma is a system now more building, more building for the public. And I say, more system are more lazy with lawyers. And how does it work?
A system I build it, the institutions like from police, attorney general, any legal aid, any the court, no, any prison service, even Ioko Nina Ekaho. Omunyina one platform so that assemble free police for her maybe was say a police ni no e dey assemble kono internet so na or the assemble apushi so that say a court for no omote omo office na so police ni no wie ni hwehwe mu na wo say wo dey assemble court o pushi a nipa o te court honom na court system no obi say alert to say send your email and wanya message no hu say asem bi say yaba na court nso ahyeda say yes set court data through the system no nso nipa no nyina be hu alert na wo hu say that say ye be court na de wo say nipa no eboa no ho ekotwi anasa obi hia lawyer wa pe lawyer na lawyer na aboa na akotwetwa
enti eyesa na aye nipa kro na asem na to no obenya access to the system and I say onu so benya alert ne say bia eneme time so say me court and I say me inform me lawyer and I say we for lawyers ne nko and I say
for the institutions no but currently you were mobile app on so building say ne be ya nipa no say ya enter the case now when him say onim case reference number enti oko through the mobile app na obo case number na obo hu ba bia case na kodru say your court case na the next date they are was say ye tena asem no ni nyina obehu but wo ntumi nya access input and as emfa normal ento so say ne institutions no na institutions no so obia ye train no bia say obenya access to the system no wo credentials so say wo ana obi ecosystem no no de bibi to so a yetimi etrace back ehun say asomasi ana asomasi na aye this input
nti afa na be sha sense a sha se dada
a sha se but say no pilot stage the kind pilot
okay say pilot ana say
idea yes so ahwe
okay
nti Ghana fa na nyina no yafa district mako aduanan 40 districts nationwide ena yeso ade ahwe nti ukọ Greater Accra region ukọ Volta region oba Western region Ashanti region Bono region and then I think that ahafon so ka ho regions ina yafa a number of districts even northern region so ka ho nti yafa 40 districts throughout the nation yes so sa system yahwe na eho insensema ebam se ne ye tenetene baabi ni yahwe se ade no ebe ye ansana ye di nyina ko Ghana afa na nyina because odi bibi ba e was say o try hwe obo se ebe ya ansana wa bie mama ekọ baabi ya
ye hwe sisi ase no den na eyese timamufo ene nsentwerefo ana say media no eye efa eye CTS ho
yo meda se sene de moye ya ka normal e wo say ye nsentwerefo eye ye bodawuru ye boa ne ye de ye airtime emma say dwumadie minim say mo airtime no boarding but ye besre ne moa mutimi de maye se ne be ya betimi ama manfo ate de ekwase nti eno na yesre all the media na nsentwerefo ana all the media stations so omommoa na nkyerɛkyerɛ yi enko emma emanfo obia nso timemfo ade a ebetimi aye nyina ye nso ne se dewuru na ye bete no de wante no ne abone amane na ye nso ye beka ho aye de ye kan se monitoring group se ye hwe se ade na ekoso because baby district bia unim se ade na ekoso bia no obetimi any police for any di nkomo na wo bisa o se sa system yi e wo ha no ana se motimi di ye adwuma se asem bi wo ho ana se bibi wo ho a entimi enkoyi a wotimi ni wo mo ka na wa inform your friends say in central for time bia maybe radio programs eba na obenya airtime and obenya time to call in a wotimi raise those issues na in central for nso abisa mpinin for ni ehun se ade na ekoyi ana se
Sompa 98.9 Sompa TV na washukusho a utie na wo hwe nso programs manager Tijani Mohammed na yete ne nka no ma membra lawyer Patrick Yeboa ho na membusa no se yemhwe se yechi obi a all right say say right ben o se yechi obi a right ben pa no
because Ghana emre mu no ye wo yahye mra a e kire kwan ya fa so a ye chi nipa na ye de ne fa emra kwan so entine say o kan ye mra kunin pa ye fa ne constitution of Ghana na 1992 constitution na o kan article 14 ya ho no ma emma kwan a betimi afa so a obetimi deprive obi the right of movement. At the same time no ye sign wo Criminal Procedure Act. Act 30. And also no section 3 equity section 10. And so delay with mode of arrest. Crime ben ya faswa so be di bonia ya faswa ya chino. At the same time also no police service and kasansu was service instructions. Yeah, and also no as stated specifically. Kwanya ya faswa ya chinipa. Yes, it's no say samra miensa makenya na osha ni the same thing. Because constitution eka say before e bitimi achi obi so we di bone no. Was say police officer na ebechi na. Say police officer na manipa no ehu bone kra waye. Ni enti a wo chi no. Wo kasa nipa no wotimu. That is the first and as many panel Yahweh. Now, was I many panel as I Yahweh, and right under the constitution said, was I catch and said, or who to me say on Casa. Then the Obecan Biano, Obesan Yusu, Edietiano, a war, Emra Quanso. At the same time, so, oh, officer now Obechin Nipan so. I was so sign catching Nipan and said, Sa Nipanan Casanso, or who quine, say or fa lawyer. And answer my lawyer ba na lawyer e betu charge no ono akasa wo ho kwan se obeka se men kasa answer na me lawyer aba answer na makasa yes entino ye wo mode of arrest no one fa so anchi sa nipa na under article 14.4 e honom no e unlawful arrest nipa na kasa ya chine no wo ho kwan so betimi asiu that officer no say one first amra kwan so ancho and indeed
ye say adi we there o ye de ye say yonko afa ade ye no say you catch us say pen ya be fa enti na be chew
be pa so I was so catch no I was so catch no because ye wo a lawyer some mo call lawyers training school there be aware of some cases across reported cases. One of them is Republic versus Asante. Sompa Obi, I'm so new Obi Nyantokwa. I'm unable to nipa no report no police station. Police officer now you in his home run or buy no catch and say you are invited to the police station. No, say uncle. It's a one police officer and a born on the car keys here in no two. Nipa nso see or born as soon as no so see no so or board police officer no butu no tete na tare. A court no ka say a invitation no be invited no keke obe invited so omra o ho kwan so be ka so omma so we di bone kra na o call ye na say o ka chen say bone we e na wadi ani nti am ye ba be fa ansa na wetini afa nipa na de nako that is your right.
Yes. Ye hwe say bail free because you bow hand and you can show to be bail free
me patron and bail free
and then free
yemre mu no say ye chi obi a as ye do police station na police for first of all ne be jo say bia ye child statement or investigation causing statement.
Okay.
And no police na say me investigate you for this crime. Enti no wo ho kwan say won kasa. Ne ye obeka bia ne ye be use e de atia. Answer na wo hwe we investigation causing statement nso a. Anytime bia ko police station ultimate say police officer and try de tintin bi.
Yeah.
Owia no waka che say sign an asset.
Yeah.
To owia no bi say wasema wo no betimi aka. Na say onso waka ne nyina kire no say officer no wo ho no na say officer na kire. Say ontimi kan bro ontimi anyway so ope obi a otimi ka okasa e kan ni nyina akire na o chekire mu after that na say ohwe na say ade bi wo mo betimi dey charge wa no we move to charge statement.
Okay.
No we take you charge statement to take charge statement ni wi a o ho kwan say e bia na bone no say ye jawa obekoso akodi bone no ana say ne yesi ne nti say jawa e bia obetimi adwane ana ebia for your own protection ebia you just sign kwa bontin kra you can even be lynched enti no o ho kwan say bia o detain you for a period of time.
Okay.
That constitution na say up to 48 hours enti no after 48 hours no police officer no e wo ho kwan emrahye no ana say investigator na wo ye we say any police na say yoko ana any other public institution bia na yesa we na emra no hye no say o ma bail. Okay. Na bail no nso no yen state wo ba bia say bail no ye with a cost.
Oh, okay. Meaning say yen state be bia say ye bail we so utu eska. But I do na nso ka say conditions bi wo ho a e wo bail bia ho yenim say crime bia ne ne conditions na conditions no eno ye de bad ya
the bail conditions no
e bi ne dey
o kind we criminal procedure act na act 30 that is section 96 from subsection 6 abano as state na ye the common law position as say you codify no ama the conditions are I was use and son of a bill.
Oh, okay.
The first one, the nature of the offense. Bonena why and on the case yet to say. Okay. Second one, a dance bia a so compelling. Lawyers because are so compelling, says Nipa way. Say, Adia why dear meaning say on one why he was even caught in the act doing it. Evidence I want is over him and say quarter. Yeah. A bit me at the Nipa Natu. The third one. The harshness of the punishment the man say your court na se nipa no ye bu no for say we di bone na punishment the man no so ayeso eno so ye one condition betimi agina so na ka so be man nipa we bill and so o man bill another one na say e wo say nipa na wo a fixed place of abode e wo within Ghana. Okay. To say me first we di bone wo Sunyan na say Sunyan police na afa na that's one person man bill I also make sure ehun se sa nipa we no o ba biti ye hwehwe ne kwa ye bi hu no another one hia pa ne say the likelihood say ujai na obesen aba court and also obeba police station ho no no ama investigation aiden akoso the last one a woman no say nipa no or independent people with sufficient means. Okay. Betting standing assurities should be granted to
them. And okasa then our patch the mediative for NTSA.
Bill no your types of bill. A bill where you can say bill with sureties are. Now say your amount bill. Yeah. But bill now your amount no. Penipa name na watch. Okay. Yam omon form nsa enhye kratas. Okay. Say ye jai wo se kufia. De bia police here. De bia court here no. Beba court. Sa nipa na from sureties. Okay. And those people no they are not supposed to pay any money. Any monies. Okay. Including the suspect to the police officers or any other investigating with in their case no. Including the court crime or bail. Yeah. You are not supposed to pay any money. What the police officer no yes or you say the condition na me kan no they are all met say ka say be assurities no to be justified that na I say o make sure say sa nipa na e be ma nipa ne bill no ade ajapade ben na ye de beta na chi ebia efie ne papers e wo hen lease no wo assignment no wo hen ebia fa beto court na ye ma obe na ebi wo nso aye self recognizance bill and dey hwe ebia unipa na wadi bone no ebia nim se sa nipa we dey obia nim wo kromu ha aha no oye adwuma wo aha no se wo ma ne bill a nya de so obedwane akoda and dey sa bill ne wo ho no ma ono ankasa na aginem ama ya ma ne bill nti wo one ye the sureties open nipa third parties bejina wachi na ebi wo ho no ma wan kasa nso no based on o nipa no how you are no nso betimi akasa aginem na wa ma ho bill
okay aha aye Sompa 98.9 Sompa TV Ghana wasukusho a utie no wasan so ehwe ensem de ados ye ne aye crime check foundation ene aye inter-regional bridge group 4 ene bon komo ni nyina afa aye sisi ase you know ye de aye omode aye case tracking system aba omo piloting sisi ase you know wasem ekodi police for ekoko to ola ya ho a isi omo bede software bi na platform bi a obetumi edi wunsem nechi a na time aye so lawyer ko ni nyina no ene isi aye sanso kasafa aye ye be hu sensem ho obi wo ho na ye man be kura na agise police for ni bi ene ehunu na ki wan fa kakra mba uni ene de obeda ha ma de achu ebi mo yesa ebi mo dodo na nso enye sa ye ame sanso mbra eye lawyer ho lawyer ma me ye hwe we ye wo eye platform bi a ye fa ansese ya beche eye unu bi anasa dofo bi na ya beche ne ko but police for ne de ko ye no be kura ye mfa ma no na ye sanso bono safo no ye wo platform bi a o metumi esiki for redress ana
me patron one
the platform
first one within even the police service na kasano internally they have the police professional intelligence bureau your friend Pips say police officer bi misconduct na ho ethically the conduct na nya one kasa obetimi aye petition e dey akoma sa omaso ye no say police officer ABCD and that say and emre say oye me ade bia me gidi say emfamra kwan so na say ya frɛ na ya frɛ officer no nso na say empanyimfo na ankasa tie wa asem atie officer na asem say officer no from ya internally omo ankasa ye etwena so omo ankasa ye etwena so to the extent say he can even be interdicted to the extent say so bad that sometimes it can even lead to your dismissal from the service. So the police service na kasa wo internal mechanism omutini use to resolve those issues. But sa internal mechanisms so send American who nipa na ye de ade na ye wo no ananse o lawyer ananse o hu nipa na wo se ode na sem ekwokyere o na okoka na asem e wo ho no. Another one and so the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. Constitutional body ya setting aside. Say obi ye wade bia ugiri say tietia omra so tietia wo fa hudie eso a obetimi akọ no ma report sa nipa no for those administrative way no indiscretions no near taking nipa no through strage we system no so na strage so no ahwe na ye de the appropriate sanctions amasa nipa no. Another one, so the constitution itself. Senior Meka, the fundamental human rights. Under chapter 6 of the constitution, it deals with the fundamental human rights of each and every Ghanaian. Into say, oh share, and the man police for the form from arrest to the time I be a walk court. Oh, fa hundie bi ye busua. Won sa nipa no nso wo ho kwan. Say wo court na wo catch court ne say police for announce the investigative team na eye case no omo ye ABCD a me gidi say emfamra kwan so court ne hwe na so omo anyo madwuma yi a court no so be hwe na mpata bia na esew na efata no ye twa e de ama e de apata including ebia recommendations ebia yentimi ensanction
na asema okay the dodo na dodo na wo sa kokudro ne so betumi afa yes our process ni
I believe say ni nyina kwa say nipa ni bebre kra ni
yeah
nipa ni bebre enim say this avenues you ho no menim say bebre nim say sa na ma we ho no ma
yeah
enka omaye faso because including the legal aid commission sometimes say who say
mebusa o say send the order me so one science mebusa legal aid for instance
say wo hwe na bia adena aba no hia lawyer
yeah
na lawyer mrem na bia o metwitwa anjo
yeah
obetimi akọ legal aid na legal aid nso no ehwe na so mo assess according to their standard the means test ni the merit test no say mo assess na say o say ye more legal free legal representation legal aid so bebem na omo nso no aye the necessary processes no e dey ama
me say asem we ato eye odofo bi na say na wo ke na legal aid no sense we legal aid no okwa ye beju ska process ben e na say eye be fema metumi access legal support free legal aid ho and as legal aid commission for
yeah me das legal aid no ye first of all ya ban ankasa ejuma ekuo ye de asi ho nom constitution no under article 294 na share say was say obi a opese o enforcing the right under the constitution
yeah
and also or call for interpretation of the constitution no sa nipa na man free legal services
okay
upon reasonable ground say ohia those services na edema no na at the same time no as provides a parliament e was say oshemra na you hu kwan apart from say be call enforce constitutional rights in those kind of way no other things are nipa bi ebetimi aya obetimi aya entitled to legal aid services
yeah
into the year abanjuma eko e wo ho no provide free and inexpensive legal services almost service they provide when na free but the woman is so they were kwan legal aid faso a enya ni cases ebi wo ho a working ono ankasa na
aba
o te se bia ye border e wo radio so bi na aka kire no na wa working e wo legal aid o kwa ye wo form ho no ma ya mu afele form no ntwi aka
yeah
into no form ne be bisa questions the adwuma a wo ye wo te he
yeah
boss me bia sign na unya those questions ni na emrantia ne ema ba wa na wo no be bisa no na ebe ma omo ama committee na wo say access no be hu say based on that no who deserve say more free legal services
okay
a bit say obi a or any below the minimum wage they say Ghana you say minimum wage and 13.53 Ghana cedis a day. So that means so any amount of money be a year more than who calculate here in 4.5 or any amount of money there more than 4.5 that means say you may have the means to go for the services of a lawyer.
Okay.
Internet your service are you provided for indigent.
Okay.
The case indigent or be a woni bi. Say because all the lawyer cry a manner. Case ka kwa de ma lawyer and cry say on fan court ka wonya bi.
Na obi susu a we dey advance or that minimum wage dey super pay or private sector. This is kind 500. Lawyer because one money is am antics ke and then the one send for me an court na ke was be issue. Kakre ya ono so eyi ni nyina no baba legal obo se ke oye dwuma se ai o je se o se ene ye ntumi mu abe ko betumi afa lawyer ba se mo hese below minimum wage dia dodo na se ya no meba eno bi won so private sector se ya na oje nti anka mo be hesa ambra no na mo tumi asakre ma o you to say bebo
se na me kan no ye o means test na what the merit test
okay
hence na enye means no go na yehwe
okay
oba nso a yehwe case no cases ni bi o wotimo say bia nipa no wo means no
okay
but merit no we san hwe the merit of the case case we bia na legal aid no bia ya man some specific cases bi wo ho legal aid na so mo ye e be to say on maybe inheritance interstate succession law on child custody maintenance and insurance cases and some free legal services they provided for omo a ebia yabo omo ko adu a offense no ye first degree felony ye try on indictment and those people no automatically so any lawyer cry na was say judge no and as attorney general a trade to legal aid na legal aid masa nipa no
okay
lawyer na o defend no enti no eduru ba bi so ehwe the merit test no and I say na mekan no cases ni bi wo ho no criminal cases no say ye indictable offense nko ade a constitution provide say yentimi trial on indictable offense abra when you're represented by a lawyer enti no say case ni court na say judge nipa na ye born ko adu no say a murder case in fact say a rape defilement piracy those cases now you the juries etnasna a judge na said here high court judge no one na said here so nipa na any lawyer na say nipa no so ni kwan obetimi afa so anya lawyer e o say judge no order the common legal aid director within that particular way na you affording that free legal services and then only the means test no and there are many other things that we take into consideration and offer free legal advice and representation
emfaso dia ben ene nyoma ben ne hia legal aid edeboa ene case bi wa say omo hese we dey resolution betumi abema we have faso dia ben pana legal aid edemai
yes when you mean that Oshe Legal Aid Act na as state
memo to so ye be announce full lines no enche bia enti say ye be sha say announce full lines na o how be ana say ensem koma ye di o pese wudi bi ana say o how be e wo eye ensem aye kan hu e bia o nu ebi nso ho achi no ba bi na lawyer wa ha e na programs manager nso wa ha ye be bia ahoma na ma nso wa bem ahoma no 0543 989 989 0247 989 989 0243 989 989 lo yongweni
medas say na mekan legal aid act na state eniema emra no ehye legal aid say e wo so mo ye ebi ni say bia obia working in a man of free advice or so about can problem another man free advice ebi nso ye the sign wo another division here the AD alternative dispute resolutions division and also that division wo honom cases I beba na ye hwa ye betimi aka e wo legal aid honom ano ye invite afanu no na ye training ye wo nipa ye training omo wo AD anu mu na ya hwe na ya kan asem se ka na se ye ya the autocratas na se obi assign na se asem atwa wo hono ma ana se another one e beba mun se bia ye ma legal representation yeah no the public defenders division the say cases are akodi court e be say criminal cases ana se ne any court e be akodi police station legal aid so contact your mo lawyer ne bebem a follow up case no from police station na kopem se case na be den be court ana se ne me kan sa ne ma we nyina nso no wokọ ho no ma nya de se ye jo simpo ana se taku ama wa yewe ana ne ye boa so no se se almost start lawyer no any start the case na chi from time arrest ne beba kopem se case ne be court o make sure say all right bia na ye under the constitution na e wo say protect no is well protected na eboa se bia untimi an cancel bia at the end of the day no it may go and incriminate you
okay
the same make I say yacho say Ghana the say ne mahu ne say lawyers most of the time I always me catch me colleagues say yeah that koya more firefighting approach
mame announce full lines no na afin say the etifo betumi abem 0543 989 989 0247 989 989 0543 989 989 den penfo kan nyina na sesi ase no so onu bi ho akire na o de imam fa kolai. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me pa che for say na ka se free fa
e fa me kofi kusi me wo mem dominase.
Okay, mem dominase. Penfo tie o how na say me pa che o
me how na say ai me wa fasia no mienu na afuo bi wo hai domasi hai eye nipa mienu dia na ye tra jasi hima osre ye ne ye so nnua ba ko ne so na nwofa jasi hima ne tra ye se boy ye na ba ko ofi ho oni adwuma ye mfa fuo no manenti boy ne dia fuo no ti afin ye dika no ofai esa o chemde bia skama no amfa ma no ti fai yan kana ve ofi wa no dia fuo na ko chi kam wo kasape ma me ko fi kusi me ko kasape ho ne ba ni ba o ji fuo no kasai se mre no so no dia fuo ni biema mama na ye ne ka nti mre no so ye no fe me de data no bram tata no ha sesia efiri ho no boy na sande afuo no asra kosi kam odi kosi kam no odi sika no so ama other part no bi odi ko ma bebe side no nko a nti anu chi no na other side no onum nipa yare no no ba me ho na nka sha onum se onum wo afuo no bi die me se mi kokos ka no me dia se me mi ama no ne me man me se mi ska wo sa part ho nti ni koji ska no bi wo ba bia boy no koji ska no se nipa no wia kanetia o kaneti afiba
aha o se embre no ko
boy na ba ha be bo mi biam trenu abe bo mi biam trenu se bi ni ma fo no asem se mantene ho afiri afuo no ho a obekum ya atwatene adua obebo me no kra no ya tekan gwan no te bosu nukumi a onkumi ma nyina nka ho
aha enti a opese there na action be na pese o take na payinfo enti no more advice on it
asna me pese take no me pese nka me ma approach for action no enti me ma approach for action na eya na
okay ye da se bebre
ama se me sama ne
payinfo be yi ano payinfo be yi ano 00543 989 0543 989 0247 989 989 onso betumi afre na onso de eye wadwenkyere e de aba anaso onso wo ha obi unu ebi ne ya che no anso wo ha okay hello good evening
Good evening, sir.
Me pacho e fro se na ka se free fa
Me pacho oni Ankrebu fashion ne ka se e wo me come road.
okay yes our boss me pacho eti wadare ma ha na se
me pacho se okodi boni bi na se police ni no ba se obechi wakwa o ba be che no o mara se wotu tutu be ka se onkono beba ono no nkona wo beba
okay
that's na pese
okay
be answer me why
pacho be answer okay 00543 989 989 0247 989 989 obetumi afre na nso wo ha obi a mpanyimfo wo ha ombeyi ano e de amount okay 0543 989 989 0247 989 989 mom yembre fie na openyin na ofre free ye memuna sem no semote ya yewi ani aba second wa okay yemfa last one no na yewi ani asan yeyi anu wi ani asan so afa foforo hello good evening yeah for say na ka se free fa
me de
nana mi ampacho ka se free for daroma
me ka se free sunya ha
nana ampacho o ha no say wa daroma
me ha no de I say o sen ka me fu pa mo ya ma ba ho se me fu pa mo ne ya ma ba ho
o person who baby a crime check for no
pacho
okay okay yeah sorry o mo do mo no ma betu dana yemfa we yeah hello good evening me pacho your friend say na ka se free fa
o friends me ka se free emre
me o ka se free emre Edini biem.
Offense yemre.
Offense yemre. Ofa mpacho wadare ma yeti o ha ne sey.
Me ha wona say e fa bill ni de no.
Aha.
Me ya che me pen. Edem kwatena kanta back. Bra mabusuafo na baaye no. Omo kan me bra kwa kira de o se wa kese. Obegina mu o kan omo ji se no kwase na koso pa o police stations a hodo no bi no. Nti ho na ye me ha pa se omo na inspectors na chief inspectors na omo de da sa police stations na no ebe kasa yi because ade e koso pa me da se.
Yenso ye da se bebre Rex mo hodi on kakra yen yin se no bia na ewi ana ya to aso efre ho lawyer yeboa emem de no aha I know say no quite complicated kakra but then semi complicated so na ya bo lawyers ni mudi ntima yen hwese na obeyi na na afi na waba eye de ye fa e kan ho no wadare ma.
That is so emem de no from the first kakra ma ya no metimi say ade eye civil ebia mentime ho ase bi na aba e wo sikasem kwanya fa so ebia e wo se obi atimi enjoy ade koku na ida ho no mo no enti no o report me to police no police for eba e ka dan na se for police for nanka ti se enti se wo gidi se nipa na sisiu wo sika bia kodi ne ho no na se o pesa oje o famra kwan so je a eno an se bia obesaman no court
okay
na sika bia wo mbia na waje na o kan ba ku bi se ebia nipa nso aba obo ni dua na se for court de eduabo enkoso ye ni spiritual matters o court enti an de ebe ye nanamo na ebia se okohonom na ebia tradition so obesaman omo a na wasama mo na ne be kan se ba bia wo no onpe legal aid officer you very close
okay
am say baby o kan so no kasapen na say be wo half ho baby legal aid officer wo goes
okay
a ko honum na say o de nkrata nyina ko office wo no ma yo akrache for ne ma wo honum ambehwem
okay na
o mama no the necessary advice here say lawyer bebam na be so ne case na hwemu a lawyer will come in and handle the case
okay yeah hwe second one
second one no say police eba say oba bechewa wo ho kwan so be ka say kona me eba it's very complicated okay kona me eba na wa man so enti no say oba na so oba bechewa kwa na so mo hu bone a wa ye dia na so wo so nkwa the police for official service instructions na there are some circumstances they are justified to use reasonable force.
Oh, okay.
If you are resisting arrest. Instructions now provided the processes in the procedure. Also using force now be used when I say proportionate.
Yeah. Okay.
To the resistance na nipa no edema no. Nti reasonable force e bia kona meba. Na bia nipa na e bia ogina hon me yewe wo ho kwan so betimi aso e bia be touch ne kakra. Na bia betimi push ne to the police station. Enya say bia obeyi etuto.
Yeah.
At the abobo no. Yes, I force any proportionate to the resistance now will take no. And then say police banners or more hun ntia or becho.
Yeah.
Dia what our advice and say so ko hono. E woni pa ne bi wo ha e bia na obi animu no.
Okay.
Enti no mo nim say e be ye we sometimes no. So ma verbal with assurance be say ba police officer and that discretion no.
Okay.
To say okay mama me dibu ama kakra bia na nipa wo honum de wi nipa no e bia ne the way ositia wo honum nti on pese bia be police betinya ama no that kind of leeway no ama nipa na ba.
Okay.
But if you insist say kona meba the police for no also right say ono ankasa ntimi anya otimi call for reinforcement no mo ba no mbebo na ye chewo na edoko
Tejani opese ode kakra kan ho na
yo kakra me de be kan ho ne say I think say earlier on lawyer kra kan say police for bar you depending esam bonin ye dey ato so no senior tie no ebetimi aba say invitation na omo dey ba ana say arrest so enti say invitation dia and na senior can depending on nipa no senior tie ne o gina bia o society and those kind of things. Enti utumi bisa police ni no say police for mu ye nipa te say o ho kwan say obefre lawyer ni say onni lawyer ni a oman no anasa aban no befa lawyer ma and all those process no catch raw na ode woko. Enti the difference I wo mu no enti enye da bia na obeka say betimi aka catch say wonko. What if a murder, for instance, me jindi say the murder to be so a police for beba say invitation, but maybe only will be a kontokwa now yemfa say send ye si nimu area mu ha na obi anim say ye say wabo obi asumunti eno yenim say eno nko a keke no untimi nwane nti betimi aka say maybe me ye bibi nti maybe kokobo umpenifo amane say that say na mmom osan ka say your friends say o ma omo assurance say ochina 8 o'clock meba no one madia they wa unim say the next one eba no they won't come with that courtesy no enti yen hwe ho nso yi yen
third one and I say third one answer
so third one is
another one on bill
kasa say
I think say
also the police station send opa chene yina na say and send am so pa say yenji skade ono kwa yen na kakra because the last time I che no ene ko no police for 50 Ghana do tonju kakra enti josusu ne say send am body wuro say be yenji ska so na no ye che ni ye bele ne bra bae ne sister ne bro chira de bae ne busu for bae say ye be jama na kono police ne says 150 Ghana nto wa ye fan tonju a one for insurance account was 150 Ghana and to ye jama won ko fie
ye beka si so say ye beli nipa ye njiska eni kwan say police no e demand iska another angle bi nso wo ho no ma on say emra no ma police for kwan say ye bo obi kwadu a chena obedite ni nipa no aye ni investigation up to 48 hours. Okay. And can say this our train up to 48 hours.
Okay.
Yes. Depending on senior case in it, no. If you are na 1 hour, also obi say we maybe evidence or honum ye proceed to court and I say we case any case be we are crowd there kofi na yentoa ye hwehwe mu. Enti but acha na 48 hours no. Acha na 48 enti enye lawful say environment police be chill be the nakotum 24 hours and over umbisa na numu nsem onye bibia na say me 48 hours no yenka say train 48 hours no so another angle ne say eto da bia me mba ne say maybe police ni no edit onwie ni investigation na wo mom na o push no na o induce no and you one thing but some pa say police ni be ka say asam no ma hwehwem fro obi bra na onim obi a omomra mbema obi na oba eni kwan say nipa no police ni no oje even once Ghana city na say de no nso sia na edi kan kai no obetimi abisa Punia or police station bia no you penny for honum your station officer your district commander even police station bi or honum eson to the extent say we divisional commander senti say omo from no egisika bisa na utibetimi yakobo penny na mane say de asini ana say even at the time omo demand no betimi yakoka hwe ni penny say the friends investigators na SCN so when di hunjuma say na di kan kai no your police professional standard bureau PPSB police ni bia wan famra kwan so anye na adwuma no na otietia wo fa ho dia ojo bribe before bill is also an unprofessional conduct betimi a report no ni afre no na asema ayo ho no ni ahwehwe say ampa police for no betwe na so ebiomu Shraj and all the other institutions so honoma obetimi a report to search into
the message by or say you musa say ye police ni befa na police ni car na wo waka wo ha obetumi ase police ni se mesema o mi enta kemi fanko
police and the state institution omo na wo say omo provide means obechewo de ko enye wo ya chewo no na ebe use o car e do wako police station enti o say omo de car ba okwan ya mbefa so enya means of transport say ade a betimi anante ko nso na omo say ye nante nko a fine but say omo na wo say
ye nante ko say na lawyer okay now to say area how they na nante ko bia say ya and now
the age of 18 sebio yemfa sane mane ngune sane nhwemonko
na okay now wha na yemfa say wha na say ye bechiwa ho na say they handcuff ogunza.
First of all first of all senipa no try to resist arrest.
Okay,
because as police officer on so one a call duty ne say obehwe say your friend say a suspect no doesn't escape.
Yeah,
nti ye the call do no ball no nya be hu no put you under arrest. It's like we are under the care.
Okay,
nti e so pe kwan bia be fa so bia se unwane e so de oba station.
Okay,
nti ono nso de obeye etumi a make sure say unwane no nti say o show any signs of resisting and I say o kire ni bibia e kire say o unya ho a obedwane dia ono nso ye de tools and equipment amano.
Okay,
e was so the year juma e make sure nti handcuff na ni kwan say o di gu because say ye pese ye gu animu ase and all those things because on the face of the law no at that moment no we are innocent person.
Okay,
any kwan say ye tete we ye anything to suggest no.
Okay,
nti all those things hu hia
okay.
Na mmom o ye wadwen say o ye gidigidi na ohun say asomasi wonya kwan a obedwane de a no gu o de ankofu no gu a ende e kana juma ho
asango se besa bo nsankomo ebiem ahwe the next level no no say no mobile ebie lines nentem na be gwana de ye shase age ye enyoma amode ba ye na ye follow senior enyoma na ekono lawyer ye boa mame musa wasem etwato a wo ka kire ye obibia o hwe no otie ye nso e wo Sompa so
the Beckatre atiefo ne omomo hwe ne se Ghana hanom no ye womra ebonipa yenyina eboya ho ban police anase investigative body bia na oba na effective arrest no samra na e protect you no samra na nso ne ma no ho kwan so ono nso ne ye wo se wo ye no womra kwan so entine se wo ye ade bi na se mfamra kwan so na se wogidi se etieti awfa hunde a entnase e ma ne nkoso sa pe asuye a ebetimi atie wa asem na etimi aboa ama ya make sure say those things moving forward no are not done again.
Okay, yeah, that's a bebre yeah na sebema Tijani Mohammed, programs manager. Our more friend in no. Yes, Roma. Next time we be shiano because in come be deeper. Into next time we be shiano. You be fat course no more. Na ya ji how no you are near your monso how